The TOPZEE 11-quart XL air fryer features a flexible basket design, allowing you to switch between a large 11-quart basket and two 5.5-quart baskets for versatile cooking needs. With its family-sized cooking mode, this air fryer can easily handle large meals, making it perfect for preparing hearty dishes for the entire family in one go. The cook and serve together function ensures that you can prepare two different meals at unique temperatures and have them finish at the same time for a seamless dining experience. Its sync cook mode allows you to synchronize settings for both baskets, enabling you to cook 11 quarts of food at the same temperature and time effortlessly. Offering 8 versatile cooking modes, the air fryer covers everything from preheating to dehydrating, making it a comprehensive appliance for a variety of cooking tasks. Designed with convenience in mind, the non-stick, dishwasher-safe components ensure that cleanup is quick and easy, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your meals.